kanilang kita nga.
Tours and whale watch, Jono tram. Need a tram, I don't know how much, you have to ride there. Going up. Wow. Let's go. Ah. I don't know. Tram. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Ito. Smells good, the coffee. Ano naman to? Ang bango ng kape na yun, no? That's smells good. This is a blue diamond jewelry. Bibili ka ba? Let's see. The Hawaiian hat. Ay, not Hawaiian hat. Wow, Juno. Pero magaan, no? Hindi, iba na pa to. This is a specific place, Juno. So this is $4.99 May, oh. You can buy Alaska, look, oh. No, that's a certain place, pero ito specific Alaska.